How to fix Atomic Heart unable to loot Neuromodule. 1. Update your game. To do so, get the latest patch installed in time. 2. Check your inventory. Note, ensure your inventory has enough space vacant. 3. Back up your data and try restarting your journey. 4. Modify the Neuromodule's requirement value in the weapon upgrades.json file at cgame installation directory /atomic heart windows /content /atomic heart /content /game tune. Int, you may also set 0 to push Tet flying blade, railgun, etc.